Good morning, students. I am Professor Arti Prasad, Assistant Professor, EX Department from SIRT College, Bhopal, and the subject is the Triple E, Energy and Environmental Engineering, and the subject code is the ES301. And today's the topic is pollution. So, in this topic, we have discussed what is pollution, what is pollutant, and the type of pollutants, right? So first we discuss what is pollution. So in this definition is pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change, right? And it can take the form of chemical substances or energy like noise, heat, or light. So another, you can say what is pollution. It is defined as the any substance introduced into the environment that adversely affect the useful of resource, or it can be in the form of solid, liquid, or a gaseous substance. It causes damage to humans, plant, and animal life. The or we can say the nature and the concentration of pollutant determine the surveytory of effect of the pollution. So this is the definition of pollution. And last again, we can say that pollution is defined as the excessive discharge of any substance in the environment which affect adversely quality of environment and causing damage to human, plants, and animals. Then come to the what is the cause of the pollution and what is pollutant. So pollutant, discuss what is pollutant. It is the matter in solid, gases, or a liquid form in such a concentration that may be directly or indirectly injurious to the environment or an ecosystem. Or you can say the components of the pollution can be either foreign substance, energies, or a natural occurring contaminants, right? So in 2015, pollution killed 9 million people worldwide. So what is the effect of pollution? First effect, that is very main effect, that is global effect of pollution. So pollution of different type is not a localized issue. The ill effect has affected and also is affecting the globe or earth and its atmosphere. And greenhouse effect, global warming, ozone depletion are the global effect of pollution. So different types of pollutants. So ecological pollutant can be divided into three types. First one is the biodegradable pollutant. Second one is the slowly degradable pollutant, and third one is the non-degradable pollutant. So what is biodegradable pollutant? So pollutant that can be rapidly decomposed by natural process is called a biodegradable pollutant. It also known as non-persistence pollutant, like domestic sewage, discarded vegetable like. So second one is the slowly degradable pollutant. What is a slowly degradable pollutant? This type of pollutant remain in environment for a longer time because they decompose very slowly by the natural process, right? Like plastics, like pesticides, etc. And the third one and the last one is the non-degradable pollutant. That means this type of pollutant cannot be decomposed by the natural process, are called non-degradable pollutant, right? And the example is the like lead, mercury, nuclear waste, etc. So these are the three types of pollutant we have discussed in this topic. First one is the biodegradable, second one is the slowly degradable, and the third one is the non-degradable pollutant, right? Thank you, students.